Hello guys, namaste everyone. So welcome to my channel. So I'm having I think 19 or 20 questions with me today. So I know people are waiting for these question answer round so long. So I'm literally sorry about it. I was not getting time to make the video. So today I'm gonna put some question answer on my YouTube channel. So you people gonna enjoy it. Hope you people gonna enjoy it. Thank you. So let's start it. So today's first question is from Yours Food. So that guy is asking me, where did you get that eyes lady? So basically I am blessed with these eyes from my parents. Now Ken Adams 96, he is asking me, why did you choose this career? So it was all meant to be because we literally do not decide anything when we are kid. So I am an engineer, so coming from that background to this profession, it's actually hell and heaven difference kind of thing. So when I started my modeling career, I got very good response in that, so I thought of giving a chance to the acting career as well. My third question is from Ishwar Jaiswal. तो दिस गाय इज आस्किंग, तुम्हारी खूबसूरती का राज. तो मेरी खूबसूरती का राज मैं क्या ही बोलूँ. आई थिंक गॉड गिफ्टेड ऑफ कोर्स माय पेरेंट्स. सो द नाउ क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम सुरेश. Suresh, he is asking me, what's your favorite childhood memory? When have you felt the most challenged and most proud? So Suresh, my most favorite childhood memory, I think, of course, it's childhood memory, so I literally don't remember, but I would like to share one with you people. So when I got my new toy car from my dad, that was that's my favorite childhood memory. I was literally dying to buy that, and I think that time I was around 5 or 6. I even don't remember what was my age. So the next question is, when have you felt the most challenged? Most challenged, I think I felt when I switched from Hindi, Hindi medium, I mean CBSE board, to the Bengali medium. So learning, that phase, that was very difficult for me because I never learned Bengali before. So I started learning when I was in class 6, I guess, and we moved from Delhi to Kolkata. So that was the most challenged thing for me, and most proud, yes, when I got the scholarship after my boards. So Pramod underscore 87. So this guy is asking me, दिल्ली कब आओगे? दिल्ली का भी कोई प्लान नहीं है, क्योंकि मेरा ऐसा है कि ट्रिप का कोई प्लान बनता नहीं है. जब बनता है तो बस मुंह उठा के चल देती हूँ मैं. प्री प्लान करके मेरे ट्रिप्स कभी भी कामयाब नहीं रहे. सो रतुल DMRY, he is asking me, what is your hidden talent? Even I don't know what is my hidden talent is. I'm literally sorry. Ria underscore Patel 4467. Okay, so he or she, I don't know whose ID it is, might be she. Visit Udaipur. I have been to Udaipur, so of course if I make any plan, I will definitely want to visit again. Udaipur is a lake city, so it's beautiful, amazing. Lake Pichola especially. Now the question is from Sagar 26. Sagar underscore 26. What is your height? So my height is 5'3" without heels. Now someone is saying, his name is Naruto 63845. You are good actress, act in movies, and your voice is so sweet. Thank you so much, Naruto. I would love to get a role in Bollywood movies. Thank you so much for the praise. So the next ID is Biker, and I guess Biker and or some difficult ID it is. शादी करने का प्लान है. बाबा, शादी करने का प्लान अभी तो कुछ नहीं है, अगर होगा तो मैं आप लोगों को जरूर बताऊंगी. So another question is from Suresh. Okay, what type of music do you prefer? I mostly prefer very romantic slow music. I don't like very loud music because I am not loud person at all. What was the best vacation you ever had? So best vacation, first time when I visited Manali. It was full of snow everywhere. It was so awesome. What is your favorite food? Always non-veg. So Yogesh ENGG26, I guess engineer है ये बंदा, engineer है मेरे ख्याल से. He is asking आपका favorite color. मेरा favorite color तो black है, लेकिन अब पहनने को मना किया जाता है मुझे. Now the question is from Rishabh 1016. He is asking me how come so fit and amazing body all the time. So of course my daily fitness routine and my diet plans, of course, which is very important to me all the time. So the next question is from Divan 1111. He's asking me what's your favorite most favorite place but you have not visit that place. Okay, so Divan, I have never been to Kanyakumari to Rameshwaram, that place, though I am mountain lover, but still I want to visit that place. I'm in love with that place. Now okay, this is not a question, so this is just a suggestion from arjun.ashok.587. He's saying you are more beautiful than without makeup, so avoid this for one time live. So Arjun, you can see I have uploaded so many photographs like without makeup, so I will take it as a suggestion. Of course I will do that for sure. So another from again arjun.ashok587. He's saying, have you done any cosmetic surgery especially for lips? No, I have never done any type of surgery anywhere in my body, not even on my lips, never. So I have no plans for surgery at all. It's all God gifted. So the another suggestion, this is not a question, from John Paul Panellis. He is saying, I think you should focus on a particular content for your YouTube videos. You are absolutely right, even everyone is doing the same. But John, I can see people are enjoying my content. Whatever content I am uploading on my YouTube, they are coming to me, they are they are praising my content, they are loving my content, they are sharing with their friends. So yes, I will be continue this thing for this time, in present, but I will think about your suggestion in future. So another praise is from Unknown Boy Nifty. He's saying, please start working in TV and movies. You deserve it, your acting is beautiful. So thank you so much and for your praise. Of course I have been trying, I will try in future as well. Please wish me good luck, I will get it for sure. Guys, this was the last praise and this was the last question today. I hope you people enjoyed it, and of course if you enjoyed it, please go and subscribe my channel and like the video and ask your friends to like it as much as you can. Please share it. Thank you.